going on YouTube? It's Double O Dude. Figured I'm going to try a little bit something different on this patch that I'm about to do. I went down and bought some thicker gauge metal. I've been using 22, which I think is just a wee mite too thin to do, to make good welds. So I've got some 16 gauge. I'm going to see if I can bend it today, and I'm going to go ahead and cut out that other spot in the bus on the other side of the floor, and see if I can put in a patch panel, and see if that's the ticket. Maybe I'm just using too thin a metal, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, well, looking at this, I'm pretty sure, I don't know, man, it looks pretty thin over there too. Let me get some. Be sure. Yeah, that right there is pretty damn thin. Let's see how that goes. Alright, well, for sure need to knock all of, probably need to, like, if that's solid enough, I'm not going to have to cut that part. I'm definitely going to need to cut through here. And then, yeah, this is a mess over here. I mean, some of it seems pretty still solid enough, but some of this is just garbage. Just don't know what's what, so I'm just gonna have to get in there and do some grinding. But I think that I'm basically gonna cut it across here, and then take it down through here. I need to bring it back far enough because the top of this beam is shot, so I need to be able to get far enough back I can put a new top on the deal. And I think that right in there, this cap, I'm going to, I don't know for sure, but I'd like to do maybe a separate panel through here. So, anyway, we'll see how it goes. I just need to draw all this stuff out and get geared up and start cutting. Alright, well, it looks like that I'm going to have to get the other part, get the tire off the front, but cut out a lot of that mess. I need to cut all of this stuff off here, and then, yeah, see if we can get a patch in there, and start building this all back after we grind all the rust off of it, put some sealer on it, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, the first part I'm going to try to make is going to be the top hat that goes on the top of this rail here. I'm going to see if this little $39 Harbor Freight brake will break 16 gauge. It's going to be tough. Alright, I got it in there. Squared it up a little bit. I have no idea if this is going to bend this. Let's see. Pulling my nails out on the board. Not cool. Hang on. Alright, now we got a new improved version. Got a nice place to put my foot, and everything is screwed rather than nailed. Really? Now I gotta go search out some more screws. We're gonna have to get some new ones of these too. That doesn't really look good. Alright, well that sucked, but I did go ahead and I got it broke the best I can. It's not going to be like a machine part by any means, but I ended up using that gigantic crescent wrench and just strapping it down there and getting her done. This is the finished product. It's not perfect, but it's a lot heavier gauge than what I did previously. So hopefully when I go to put the top part on, I'll be able to weld to it and not burn holes through it. So now I've got to cut this notch out of it and start fitting it. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, I got it in there. I'm going to go around the other side and see what that looks like. Yeah, that sucked, man. The thicker metal is not a go for anything really other than structural. I think I can make that work. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cut this spot out of here and weld another piece in with that thicker gauge metal. Probably do it on both sides. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. Alright, I've cut all the rust out of there that I could get to, and then I made this plate here. I'm just going to weld that in place. I'll show you the fender well what I did. I don't know if you can see up in there or not, but it's all just been painted with some Rust-Oleum just to kind of keep that metal protected and that jack point. And I tried to get as much in there inside as I could. But till next time, guys, man, I guess this next time I'm going to go ahead and get the other tire off the bus and start cutting out everything underneath that fender well over here on the other side, and see if I can get that what I guess you call them a top hat, put back on top of that beam, and get it welded in, and then it's off to knocking out another panel for the inside. So just baby steps, but thanks for coming along, guys, and take care, and peace out.